What's going on, folks? Welcome to the channel. Taking a look this evening, March 21st, looking at Tesla. Gonna take a look at the NASDAQ as well, and a brief mention about the market indices. So Tesla looking good. We got that higher high we were looking for. We also got the higher low, which is right in here. So it looks like we are in the very early stages of a new uptrend for Tesla. So what we were looking for is we're looking for a print above that lower high there, which we got, and we got a higher high. So we had, this was nothing but a lower high at that time, came down, printed a higher low. So that sparked our interest and said, okay, this thing could be done. It's downtrend and could be starting a new trend to the upside. And as soon as it printed that higher low, it blasted higher. Pretty typical of a trend change. And we got that bullish confirmation, that higher high we were looking for. We believe that we are now in a new uptrend for Tesla. We expect much higher prices here for Tesla to come in the coming weeks and months ahead. Over on the right-hand side of the screen over here is a watch list of the CME futures. You can see the NASDAQ is down at the moment 2450, and the other indices look to be down as well. So for Tesla, we expect higher prices. We are quite bullish on this stock. And we obviously need to see more confirmation to the upside. If this thing does start to roll over, then we could be in a different scenario, and this could be a failed breakout. Of course, our opinion, not financial advice. So we wait and see. We didn't get the strongest closes today on the market indices. We'll take a look over at the NASDAQ. Same situation with the NASDAQ. We are bullish on a couple of the market indices at the moment, and NASDAQ being one of them, although we didn't get the strongest close today. So that is something to keep your eye on if you look at the NASDAQ futures, which if you trade Tesla, I would imagine you probably do, or if not, you probably should. So we do expect these markets to move much higher, and they should be underway very soon. If they don't get moving higher for some odd reason, then we could be rolling over, and this market might need a little bit more time to figure out what it wants to do before heading higher. But as of right now, we are quite bullish on the overall markets, and it would be a sight to see these markets be much higher come the early morning on the March 22nd trading session. So that's what we're looking for. That is just a quick view at the NASDAQ. Looks like we are below the 200-day, so it has some work to do to the upside. Back to Tesla. Tesla is above the 200-day, which is the red line on my screen, and it looks like we got a confirmation of a trend change, and this thing should be heading higher. Now, it does need the NASDAQ to go higher to carry its weight, so if the NASDAQ starts to roll over, it will take Tesla down with it. So that's our thoughts. We are quite bullish on the markets and definitely bullish on Tesla. And let's see how this thing plays out here. Down to the left-hand side of my screen, you can see Google Finance. I have Tesla up. Looks like Tesla after hours down $2.96. Middle of my screen is our Patreon trading signals page. We actually do have a trading tier for Tesla, and that it's Tesla only stock. If you check that out, it explains a little bit more about that tier, and that is for Tesla only stock, no options. So that's my thoughts on Tesla. Let me know down in the video comments your thoughts on Tesla. But we got that higher low, and we have been confirmed as a higher high to the upside. So we should see this thing really start to get cooking to the upside. But like I said, it's going to need the NASDAQ to follow through with that as well. So not too happy to see the indecision we saw today in the market indices, but sometimes that's just the way it is. And then it takes a little bit of time to get moving to the upside. So we will have to see how this plays out. So patience is the key right now. But if you were long Tesla, or you just got in Tesla or looking to get in Tesla, as of right now, which is the 21st of March, things should be looking well for you. But like I said, they can change quite quickly, but we are bullish on Tesla. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subs. Keep your eye on the NASDAQ futures. If they start to roll over, that will not be good for the tech stocks. That will not be good for Tesla. And perhaps the market needs a little bit more time, or a little bit more consolidation before it starts to get moving to the upside. But I wouldn't be surprised to see the markets up big tomorrow morning. But let's see what the boys have in store for us. All right, everybody, have a great evening. Keep your eye on the futures markets overnight, and we'll see what the rest of the week brings. All right, take care.